headed into Costco for our May grocery haul. I got Talia and Renee. Where are you, girl? There you are. Talia and Renee are my helpers today. Let's grab some avocados. There we go.
Ooh, avocados. Coming up.
Can you grab two?
Yes.
Those are good pickles.
Yes, I will. I am going to die if I eat those. Yes.
You don't like pickles? They're so good.
I'm going to die if I eat pickles.
No, you're not.
So good. A new larger size.
Those are on sale.
Can I get two?
Let's just get one because we still have some of the red ones at home. Oh, now these have changed again. They're back to reduced fat and it's a smaller bag. My goodness, you just can't keep up.
What?
$11.99. That's still the same price.
But it's way smaller.
Well, no, maybe it's not. It still says 36 servings.
Maybe
So
they
weird. They
started
just can't make up their minds on these things.
What is this metal stuff for here? What are these?
Those are Go-Gurts.
Yogurt?
Yogurt sticks.
Oh, they look different.
They're a different kind than the ones we got. All right, pop it in, girl. Oh, we need one thing of sliced cheese for breakfast sandwiches. Okay. What's next here? Cheese sticks. I think I'm going to try this. Looks good. The buttery one was really great, so this one should be good too.
What is that?
This is steak seasoning.
Yes.
That is not true. Excuse me.
We're
getting lots of things you do like.
Ren, we got watermelon for you.
Don't you love watermelon?
Bacon crumble. Oh,
I don't think we need croutons.
I don't know when.
I got bacon crumbles instead. They're better than croutons.
No. Croutons are better. We can get both.
These are the best pork rinds, and they got them back. The jalapeno cheddar. They only had the original for so long. And now they got the jalapeno cheddar. I think I'm going to get one more because I'm so happy.
And the flavor doesn't change anything.
You don't like pork rinds?
Yeah, and the flavor
Well, more for me, I guess.
anything.
More for me. Renee's favorite. Oh, can you get that out there? Try this one, baby.
Okay, well, that one's whiter. It looks like a different kind.
Oh, really? It should be the same kind. There we go.
Honey.
Honey.
The goodest thing in the world.
The goodest thing in the world. All right, sandwich thins. We need,
Hey.
I don't know. We need 4 packs.
Hold on. That's 2. But not as good as cake.
It's not as good as cake?
Yeah.
What about honey cake?
What?
What about honey cake?
Honey, chocolate, peanut butter cake.
That sounds so good.
Yeah, when I had that on my birthday.
Oh yeah, it was so good.
I want to have it again.
Yeah. I think we did it. Hopefully it won't be as expensive as last month. There you go. Our big haul is spread out here on the island and over on the table, but I will start over on this side. Renee already dug into the cheese sticks on the way home. We got a package of those, some corn tortillas for tacos that we're going to be having this weekend, olives. We always like to have these on hand, and they're also for the tacos this weekend. Bacon, hey, just a second, bacon crumbles that make everything delicious. All right, so I think this bag of sausages, they changed it back to the reduced fat kind, which we like. And I think the biggest change that they made is just to the packaging, which actually is an improvement, I think, because before they would have a big bag and then inside would be 2 resealable freezer bags, and it's just a lot of packaging, and I, throw the packaging all away right at once because I make all the breakfast sandwiches out of them. So I like the change that they made on this, and I hope that they can just stick with these sausages and not change them again soon, because they've been through so many different iterations of the breakfast sausages. These are some smoked sausages that looked good, and they were on sale this month, and they're organic, so I'm excited to try those. I got 3 things of bananas because the kids eat those like they're going out of style. Decided to try this salsa. I haven't tried it before, I don't think, but it was also on sale this month, and I thought it looked pretty good. Renee, what's this?
Honey.
Do you like honey or something?
Yes, I love honey so much.
So much, and you love the honey. What are you doing, Poe? What are you doing? Is your bone stuck under there? Oh, Poe, you poor Poe. There you go. There you go. You love doing peanut butter honey tortillas, right?
Yeah, and peanut butter honey sandwiches. And I like your tank top.
Oh, thanks.
It's very pretty.
I decided to try this steak seasoning. I really like the buttery steak steakhouse blend that I've shown you guys a few times, and this one was a new one there that they had, so I decided to give that a go. Got some organic maple syrup, my 3 bags of the jalapeno cheddar pork rinds. This flavor is super good. We already broke into one in the car to have a little snack. I have gotten out of the habit of making chicken broth in my Instant Pot. I'm still trying to get, organized in the kitchen and get into a good routine here. My stove is still not working, and so it's not all settled yet. So I went ahead and bought another box of chicken stock just to have it on hand, just to make my life a little bit easier until I get back into the swing of things. I got a big pack of avocados, 4 packages of the sandwich thins for the breakfast sandwiches. That's just a small batch of breakfast sandwiches for us because I still had a few in the freezer. What's back there, Renee?
Chips.
Organic tortilla chips. That's for our weekend taco nacho dinner. So we got a bunch of those. Now moving over to the table. A few more things over here.
Cheese.
What's that? What's that kind of cheese? Do you remember what they're called?
Cheese circles.
Cheese circles, Baby Bells. We got the red ones last time, and they were still on sale, so we went ahead and got some of the black ones to try those.
Cheese.
These are for the breakfast sandwiches. What's that?
Cream cheese.
Cottage cheese. Good guess. And
some steak.
Steak.
What?
That's not steak. What is it?
I don't know.
It's bacon.
Bacon.
Oh my goodness, you know bacon.
Pickles.
We got 2 things of pickles. These are really good, and Talia loves them.
And I don't.
And you don't. Got 2 big watermelons for something. Haven't decided when we'll have those yet, but it's always good to have watermelons on hand.
Big things of toilet paper.
Big thing of toilet paper, and then 2 boxes of kombucha. That is my husband's favorite. Total that I spent at Costco was $293.71. All right, thanks for going shopping with us at Costco today. I hope you guys are doing great, and we'll see you again in the next video. You gonna say bye?
Bye.
Bye.